Hello all. Do you want the best general studies mains test series in India? We are going to come up with general studies mains test series from October 12th onwards to January 1st. Overall 80 days plan. Your mains, our mains. GS mains test series and mentorship program 2020. So October 4th UPSC is going to conduct the examination. You know that yesterday prelims admit cards were being released. So the next 80 days from October 12th to January 1st, I am going to take the responsibility of your mains, general studies mains, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, as well as your compulsory English paper, as well as your compulsory vernacular language test also we are conducting. With that general essay, except optional, total general studies will be covered here. For the first time in India, daily mains test series from October 12th to January 1st. 80 days, complete 80 days. Daily exams and daily evaluation. Daily exam and daily evaluation, complete 80 days timetable will be provided. Total 80 days timetable will be provided by us on the October 12th itself. So we are going to take your mains as our mains for 2020. The 2021 aspirants, if you want to write your mains earlier, you can also have a chance here. But remember, it's a limited batch again. Overall 18 tests we are going to conduct. 18 mains tests will be conducted with model answers. Every Sunday test, 15 general studies tests. In this, general essay is also there. Compulsory paper test, English. Compulsory paper if it's Telugu or Hindi. Extra one general essay test, total 18 tests we are going to conduct from October 12th to November 12th and December 12th and January 1st. Total 80 days. Daily explanation classes for daily tests. For daily tests there will be an explanation. Discussion class you will be having. How to write the best answers. Every major test will also have a discussion. Apart from daily classes, apart from daily test paper discussion, major test means this 18 test also you will be having discussion class with model answers. So 18 tests plus daily tests. Model answers for all daily tests and major tests will be provided. Not only daily tests, not only 18 tests, both you will be getting model answers. Complete responsibility batch. Here the responsibility. Your mains is going to become our mains. I am going to take the responsibility of your mains. Our team is going to take the responsibility of your mains. For those who cleared prelims 2020, this is exclusively who are writing October 4th. You know that UPSC will be releasing the result within 40 days. So approximately by November 14th, you are going to know your result. So those who clear mains, from November 14th onwards, on daily basis, I will be interacting with you on daily basis. Will become your study partner for your mains 2020 and will be provided personal guidance on daily basis. So your mains, clearing of your mains will be my total responsibility. I went to UPSC interview 3 times. I know the struggle. So I want to make you successful. Believe me and come. If I write mains, how much effort I will put, I will be putting my effort on you for this batch. Very good opportunity for the mains 2020. Course duration, complete 80 days schedule from October 12th to November 1st. 80 days schedule I will be providing. UPSC mains test will start from 8th Jan 2021. 1 week before your final examination, I will be leaving you. Jan 1st will be the last test. 80th test and 18th test. Evaluation will be done. Major test means 18 test evaluation will be done within 4 days. Daily test evaluation will happen on daily basis. Mainly from this mains batch, from our mains enrolled students, from our mains batch 2020, whoever clears mains for them. This is exclusively for them. I am believing that you are going to clear the mains for 2020, and I am planning for your interview as well. I am that much confident. So for your interview also, daily interview guidance for 2020 interview will be free. And 3 mock interviews by ex-bureaucrats will be free. I am planning for your success in the beginning, before prelims, before mains as well. This is the responsibility which I am going to take with respect to General Studies mains for 2020, mainly for those clearing the prelims and who are writing mains under our batch. Only limited seats again. I am not going to push all the people into the students, not at all. It is not at all commercial oriented, it's only result oriented, it's a challenge oriented. Here we are not for making money, that's why limited batch. I will not push everyone into the classroom, not at all. Only limited batch it will be there. We will have online as well as offline. So any queries, this is our email ID and this is our phone number. Anytime you can call us. All the best. Thank you.